Welcome to this video on the axiom of aware, exploring the shift from retribution to restoration within modern consciousness and the precision of justice. Justice is not vengeance. It is the objective restoration of equilibrium. Modern systems should be designed to correct rather than destroy, focusing on systemic healing. We must evaluate actions solely by their real-world consequences. Moving beyond rigid dogmatic rules allows us to prioritize measurable impacts and genuine well-being. A just system rests on two pillars: the eradication of harm and the restitution of the injured. This dual focus repairs the social fabric instead of causing further damage. True justice integrates truth, liberty, and compassion. When we observe reality, respect individual sovereignty, and act with empathy, we arrive at a precise, objective standard of justice. This framework is additive. It serves as a universal baseline that can coexist with existing religious and philosophical traditions, finding common ground in human well-being. Finally, we have an absolute obligation to the future. To live ethically is to be a faithful steward, ensuring we leave a stable and equitable world for those who follow.